Oh, look, an explosion below. Did you guys see that?
That was big. Careful.
I love the background.
Oh!
Boom.
Wow, that looks like you're hitting it in the morning.
Dude, it's like they're putting this on just for us.
It is, no. Yeah. Dude, we deserve this, don't we?
Yes, we do. Well, we're gonna
I guess it is, but when I was
Walkabout. Walkabout. How do you say?
Muito bom. Bom. Maravilhoso. Oh, wow.
I'm going to. I'll do. What the ball?
Brother?
Sure. Ah.
Dave, I just didn't want to. You all set, brother?
That's it.
We can see clearly now the rain has gone. Hey, guess what? My friend is coming down here. He's he has a Portuguese family. He speaks Portuguese.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Cool.
I love the language, man.
I see porta potty.
Oh, you do? Oh, yeah. All right, porta potties. Do you want to see? Yeah, we're gonna walk at the very top of the hill up here. Oh, but that's where we'll be at the, just at the top entrance.
You know, I'm filming this in high def.
HD?
Yep.
Vamos para a festa. Vamos para a festa.
Did? What happened?
I wanted to
No, you chose the right mask. What?
Oh. Actually, don't
I got
go too
you.
hard. Stop.
Yeah, I got you.
Stop.
This?
Pull me up. Do not fight.
No. Oh, no, I'm sorry. That was a bad. Let me do it again. I got you now. I got you.
I got my own speed.
No, I got you now. No, I didn't know you were doing this for a second. I got you now. Ready? One.
Jessica! Jessica, look!
Is that really?
Yeah, that's it.
Puppy.
Yep, that's the way Keith's been. I wish I had it.
You're beautiful, brother. You're beautiful.
A little too skinny for me, but you look good. The house is great. Oh, the short stuff.
Look at you, my beautiful brother.
Ooh, how'd that feel, brother?
Yeah. Right on, right on. You need to tone up, man. You need to get tan. You need to tan. You gotta lay in the sun. You're like a white,
With the bathing suit
white
on.
teal.
I figured there's a couple of ways I could take taters too.
You're a beautiful person. I love you. You went swimming too. That's awesome.
Ball. What the ball?
I know Ron's going next. You know, that's happening.
Ron didn't beat me to it.
Right on, brother. It's not ending.
Best show, photography show on the East Coast as far as I'm
I mean, East Coast is gone.
I don't know. Something rotten actually.
Groton?
Oh,
Rotten.
Groton has a fucking awesome fireworks.
But you're in Connecticut. So,
Hey, listen, fucking sea breeze. What are you fucking talking about
I
over
was
there?
born in Connecticut.
All of a sudden, you're fucking speaking up over there. Puddle.
Hey.
Oh, that's it.
No, you're the puddle pirate.
All right, puddle pirate.
Oh, yeah. Best pizza in the world.
Best Pepe's?
Well, I'm
Pepe's.
taking him to the fucking Coast Guard this
Pepe,
tomorrow.
Pepe, you don't say Pepe's, you say Pepe's. Pepe's Pizza, man. It's the best pizza in the world, man.
Nah.
Dad loves it.
No. Best pizza? Billy's, Norfolk,
Yeah.
Virginia.
Nope.
Yep.
Sorry.
Oh, I've
Dude.
been there too. That is sick.
What do you say?
Billy.
Billy's is awesome, man. Billy was a friend of mine. He died.
My buddy bought the shop from him.
Did he really?
Yeah.
What dip?
Oh, wow.
Whoa. Dude, your daughter is gonna love this video.
What
What?
dip?
Your daughter is gonna love this video.
She's got to work at the Buzz Friday.
Where is she now?
She's working at the Buzz.
Yeah, where is she now?
At the Buzz.
She's in
No, that's Christine.
Oh, Sam?
Sam.
Oh
Shut
my
up.
God. No,
Submit.
I'm not real happy about her hanging around, you know.
Wow.
She's annoying. She's too young.
She's 17 and Dad's bringing her in.
Hey, listen, she's my bitch. She's just like a I'm like, that's like $4 right there. Well, you gotta tell it. She doesn't know.
We're going to talk to her. That's why we brought her there so
I
we
don't
could teach
say
her.
a word. I don't say a word to her. I just,
How the fuck is she going to learn?
hey, I just told her. I said, you know what? Tomorrow.
Hey, is she paying for those for that olive oil?
Yeah, she would.
No, she didn't. Actually, the answer to your
Oh,
question is no.
no, I mean, but did you pay for the fucking, you know what I mean?
What?
She'll pay, sure.
Dave.
I know where you're going.
Nice.
Pull, Carrie. Yeah, Carrie.
Yeah. Your stuff.
I like the chair, but
Yeah, you like the
yeah, I like. I don't say it. I'm just like, get out of my. Dude, we talk. She's cool. She confides in me, but I'm like, man, you gotta step up your game if you want to hang there. I think that she is God's beautiful creation. She's such a dear girl. She got a lot of
She's like.
I'll get in trouble. No, like, oh.
But
Yeah, it didn't take off.
hanging around a bunch of guys. We don't care. We want love.
Coffee.
We want them.
We want more olive.
We don't want more olive.
Yeah.
Boss on.
Dude, I almost sleep on top of the bus. So we did a trainer, Lucia. I mean, we did a.
I'm not treating
So
it the same- I'm
no,
not
no, no.
treating it the same way I
Like that. She's awesome. Really? She's awesome. But
Oh, can I have it? I'll give him this.
She's like 17 going 12. She's a baby.
Uh-oh.
Hey, everybody all right over there?
oh, whoa.
What's your mom? What's your mom?
Get back here with us, man. Don't be a little faggot. No, no. But she has enough credits to graduate already.
Yeah, fine. She shouldn't.
But
You have. Don't bring her to bar.
No,
Bad
no, no.
idea.
It was sweet.
what?
It was sweet.
No. But I mean, she's good at drinking. I'd rather have her drink with me.
Rather have her drink at bars, but not at bars.
No.
At all.
Why? What bar does she go to?
When she was hanging out with us at one Friday on Sunday. No, that's
Stole my
not, that's not okay.
One, two,
Stole my.
Or she was doing hand me this.
Hey, guess what?
You alright?
I'm fine. If I had a daughter, I'd introduce her to alcohol at 12 years old. Listen, it's your choice.
Hey, get that. I'm not gonna put it. I'm not
If I
gonna
had
put
a,
it. I'm just gonna put it on the intro.
if I had a daughter, I would introduce her to alcohol at 12 years old. Then she'll decide. And guess what? She's gonna choose right. Why? Because my daughter.
Oh, look at that.
If I had a son,
My son and my daughters drink 30 packs of beer.
yeah, that's what you do.
A whole pack of cigarettes.
You're one of those guys, huh?
Yeah, that's what I do. I'm gonna do this. You
No.
Everybody in has their first drink at 12. Everybody on the has their first shot.
Oh, brother, you getting this?
Oh, yeah.
What the bomb? What the bomb?
That was.
Oh, don't.
Spawn to jail. Pequeno cigarette.
Wow, that was. that up. Go get the moon over there. To the right.
Huh?
To the right.
It's a blood moon.
No,
To the right.
oh, that's the real show right there,
Yeah, that's
Dave.
the real show.
Full awareness. Look at that. One place I'm looking right now. Everybody, look at the moon.
Papi, mira.
Look at the moon.
What's out?
Toma eso, toma eso. It's a different color. It's, what?